Hello, it's Erica from Eclectic Enchantments, and today I'm going to be talking to you about testing for blood glucose. It's something I have to do now every day since I was in hospital. I need to check my blood sugar and see how it is. So the kit that the doctor gives you comes in this pouch, and there's a little place for everything that you need in there, so you can keep it all safe. Part of the kit is the meter itself. Switch it on. So you see, it looks pretty complicated, but actually it's not. It always has the date and the time on, and I'll show you how that works in a second. Also, you get a little tub, and inside the tub you will get a number of these, and this is what actually collects your blood from your finger. So we need one of those. When you take one out of the one of the test strips out of the tub, you actually need to make sure that you close the tub straight away to keep them sterile. Now also you get a number of these interesting looking things, and these are actually the needles, and I shall show you that. Now I also got this, which is basically the method by which the needle works. So in effect, if the needle was a bullet, this would be the gun, and you can load it just by pulling it back like that. This is the bit where the needle comes out, and this bit comes off like that for the needle to go in. Just push that button to set it off, and this is how far you want the needle to penetrate. So if you just, want a little bit, or you want it to go in quite deep, for me I have it on the middle one. Okay, so that's that, and the last thing that you get is a solution by which you can calibrate your machine. Okay, so you need to take the top off. The meter that I'm using is a Nexus Gluco RX, just in case anybody's wondering. And then what you do is you just push the needle in, and as you can see, that's loaded the needle there as well, and the colour change is what it will indicate that for you. And then what you need to do is to twist this circular blue bit off. So just do it gently, because the needle's underneath and it's quite flimsy. Okay, just discard that. So as you can see, I don't know if you can see, just there is the needle, and then pop that back on, and that's ready. But the other thing that you need to do is to load the test strip, and all you need to do is, at the top there is a slot, and if you just slot that in there, it switches the machine on, and it will check to make sure it's loaded properly, and then when you get this flashing blood symbol, it tells you blood drop, it's ready. Now I'm waiting for my antiseptic strips to arrive, so I've cleaned my hands, and I found the best thing to do is to make sure that your hands are nice and warm, because the blood will flow better. And there's nothing to be afraid of, it's not anywhere near as bad as you think it's going to be. You just pop it to your finger and push the button, and it's done. And then just gently squeeze, and as you can see, the blood comes out. Then all you do is touch the blood and wait for the countdown, and that's what my blood sugars are this morning. So I need to keep a note of these for every day to take to my doctor. Once you're done, you need to make sure you dispose of the needles properly. What I tend to do is to take the needle out and put my gum back together, And then I tend to put the little blue, I can't do it in front of the camera, it's too far away, the little blue circle back on so that it's not going to stab anyone. And to remove the strips, you simply hold it there and then push this button that's on the side up and it switches it off. Okay, so that's the blood glucose meter. The other thing I want to show you that I have to use every day is something to keep an eye on my asthma, and it's you can't really see the box there, it's a peak flow meter. So it's basically this tube, and you can get different types of ones. You can get ones where you get a cardboard attachment, which is disposable, or one like this which you can clean, and it's basically got the different numbers going up the side, and this is the capacity for air in your lungs. This is the section that you blow into, and you can see there's holes at the other end. Currently mine is around 300 mark, which is not necessarily wonderful, but we're working on that. So all you do is you blow into this end fast and strong, and you do it 3 times, and the best out of 3 basically is the number that you record. So that is part of my new daily regime along with all of my pills. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.